All right, let's go. Hey guys, welcome to a day in the life vlog. So I'm so excited today. I am getting my hair did. New hair, who dis. Huge shout out to Mayvenn Hair for partnering with me on today's video for the Mayvenn Gets Personal campaign. I cannot wait to get this install in. Honestly, live-ins with sew-outs, sew-ins with leave-out are definitely one of my favorite styles. I love getting a sew-in because they're really low maintenance for me. They last for weeks and they make me feel like that girl, okay? Especially today's install, I have some length, girls. I'm gonna show y'all the bundles that I picked out real quick. So this is how the hair comes packaged, really nice. I love the purple and black combo in this little silk pouches. It's so cute. I ordered 126 inch, so this is it right here, and I did open it to look at the hair and it looks amazing and it feels really good. And I also wanted to see if it was gonna match my hair, which I can already tell it will. And then I also ordered two 28 inch bundles, so this is gonna be long hair don't care for fall. So I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my god, I can't wait. So let me show y'all the color real quick because I think it's a perfect match. This is it here. And I did get the Peruvian because I read that the Peruvian is a very fine hair, and y'all know I'm always talking about how fine my hair is, and when I read that was the finest hair texture that they had, I was like, oh, that's the one for me, girl. So that's the one that I picked out. I'm gonna go change my clothes and I'll show you guys my outfit before I head out the door. All right, y'all, so I'm ready to go. This is my outfit. I'm wearing a Skims bodysuit. This is in the shade Cocoa, the color Cocoa. I'm also gonna be carrying my Neverfull just because I have a ton of things to bring, like the hair and all that stuff, and so I have a big bag. And then I'm wearing my American Eagle mom jeans that I always wear. Here my face. I'm gonna bring the hair with me. I'm just gonna pack it in my purse. I'm also gonna bring my aviators from Dolce & Gabbana with me. These backup batteries for the vlog. Today I'm gonna spray on some of Eau de Absence from Louis Vuitton. It just smells so good. So also, let me show you guys my accessories. I have on two Miranda Fry bracelets and my Hermes bracelet in the middle. And then on this side, I'm wearing my JBW watch in the dual tone and my ring. And then I have on two necklaces from Ana Luisa. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to head down to the stylist. I think I'm gonna get Starbucks first along the way just because I need some more coffee. I already had a cup this morning. I am going to a Mayvenn Hair stylist. With Mayvenn Hair, when you purchase the hair, you can get a complimentary install with the Mayvenn stylist. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So let me pick out a podcast that I want to listen to real quick. I usually listen to the Skinny Confidential, him and her podcast. I'm so excited to get my install. I have everything in my bag. I don't know if I showed you guys the bundles, so let me show you guys really quickly before I get there. I'm just gonna open one of them so I could show you guys like what the hair looks like, because I don't think I did that. All right, let me see. So this is the hair. This is the Peruvian hair, like I said, and I got straight, by the way. So this is what it looks like, and it's so thin. It reminds me of exactly what my hair is like, super thin. Like, this is literally how thin my hair is. I love this. The blend is gonna be magical. All right, so, and I love the color. Woo, okay. All right, let's go. Okay, y'all. Actually, I'm gonna order real quick my Starbucks drink, so that way I can have gas. That way I can have it ordered before I get to the to Starbucks. All right, so I'm about to order my drink. I literally have 450. I have 456 left, and the drink is 450. All right, let's go. Just got a shaken espresso. I tried to order it on the app. It was a little difficult, but I think I got it. So this is it here. It's a little different, but it's good. All right, so I need to put in her address.
Starting route to 319 Fifth Avenue.
All right, y'all, so where's the bank? Where is the bank? Where is the bank? I'm trying to trying to find the bank. All right, I'm gonna turn off the camera real quick and I'll talk to y'all when I get down.
Turn left, then turn right onto South Main Street.
Girl, I am in a parking lot right now. I am not on the street. I mean, I'm in a drive-through. Wait, where's the ATM? Ain't no ATM? This is not even an ATM.
Turn right onto South Main Street.
This is not even an ATM. Do I have to go in at the bank? Oh my gosh. I will head into the bank, get my tip, and I'll talk to y'all later. So I just got down to Pelham. I'm getting my hair done in Pelham. It's in Lower Westchester if you're not familiar with it, right above the city. It's like it basically borders with the city via the Bronx. Anyways, I am almost here. I am 1 minute away. Just park here. I hate street parking. It is the worst. Y'all, there's actually a bank right here and it's my bank. That's hilarious.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm ready, yes, I'm ready.
So I just got done. My hair looks so good, y'all. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to go to the car. This was honestly the best the best sewing I've ever gotten. She worked so neat, y'all. Like, I was so impressed. I'm definitely coming back to her for my sew-ins because wow. And the hair feels amazing. It's so soft. Ooh, these 28 inches though, girl. These inches, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Yes, a new hair. Who dis though? Period. Let me take off this mask. I did my long wear routine and it still looks pretty good. I'm just gonna dust off a little bit of the shine. I'm about to fix my makeup real quick because since I had it on the whole time, it's probably a little, you know. I got my Fenty powder with me just to touch up where I had the mask. My Mayvenn Hair stylist, her name is Vanessa Daly. When I tell you she works so neat, and I've never gotten a sewing that was just so neat and flat. Oh, honey. This is not Jasmine anymore. This is Jasmine, okay? All right, y'all. So let me just see what time it is. My phone is on 5% because I was watching the Housewives of Potomac. I could never say that word. But I was watching those housewives and there's so much drama. I'm only on season 3, I think. Let me just see. I think I'm on season 3. I'm on season 3 only, but girl, there's so much drama. It's 5:45. I went in at 3 o'clock. I think I'm gonna go to the mall and browse around some stores. 20 minutes.
Starting route to the Westchester.
The Peruvian hair is just perfect. Like, it literally feels just like my hair, especially since I have the keratin treatment. My hair, it just, oh, the silk, it just blends perfectly. I'm just so happy. Can you tell I'm in love? I will talk to you guys later because I'm about to play some music because I'm feeling myself. This is what I'm about to play. I'm feeling myself. I just arrived at the mall. Well, I'm about to pull into the parking lot and it's kind of dark outside for only being 6 o'clock. Summer is ending. This is the Westchester Mall. I think I said that already though. Heading to Nordstrom right now. Alright y'all, so I just got in from the mall. I didn't find everything I was looking for, but I did get a really nice pair of jeans at Madewell, which I think I showed you guys some clips of it. So yeah, I'll show you guys I also got a couple shirts from them, so I'll show you that I'll show you guys the shirts once I get home. And Madewell does have a healthcare worker discount, so I did get a little discount. When I got done with Madewell, a lot of the other stores were basically closing, so I was like, ugh. So now I'm hungry because I didn't get my smoothie. Yeah, I'm hungry, and there's not really anywhere that has like a drive-through like smoothie type of thing, you know. Today I didn't really eat much, to be honest though. I had the Starbucks earlier, which I didn't even drink the whole thing. It's still like, but now it's watery coffee. So while I was at Sephora, I smelled the Kayali vanilla perfume, and a lot of people had told me that it smelled really good, but I actually smelled it and I sprayed it on. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Like, what? And they didn't have any in stock, because y'all know I would have got it. They had the tester out, but they didn't have any bottles to purchase. But y'all, it smells so good. And I also sprayed on another one that they had at Sephora from Kayali. I forget the name. Honestly, at first I didn't like the smell, but now that I'm, you know, wearing it for like 30 minutes or so, it smells pretty good too. All right, y'all, so I am home. It matches perfectly. Like, you can't even tell where my hair is, except in the front, obviously, because it's shorter. But like, once it blends, it blends. Like, it looks perfect. I will have a link down below for Mayvenn Hair, so you guys can go check them out. Thank you so much to Mayvenn Hair for partnering with me on today's vlog, a day in the life. I'm gonna have some pizza because I didn't get anything to eat. There was nothing to eat. I'll show you guys what I picked up at Madewell. I'm gonna have some pizza first though. Then, you know what? Let me show you guys first so my mouth is not dirty. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from Madewell. I just got 2 shirts and a pair of jeans. Let me turn the camera this way. The jeans fit so well. I got this pair. This is called the Mid-Rise Skinny Hair, and this is the wash. I got basically like a light black wash, and this is the bottom here. They fit so good, so well. Then I got a plain tee, like a v-neck. I get these, I like to get v-neck white tees every so often because they get a little dingy. So I picked this up. Their tees are really nice. I like the way they fit. The cuts are really nice on their t-shirts. And then I also got this black one, which I've never tried this line from them, but since I like their other tees, I figured I would try it. And this one is t-shirt as well. So this is what it looks like. The sleeves are cut a little bit further out, but I did like this the little detail right here, so that's why I picked it out. Typically I like t-shirts with the sleeves like cut a little closer, like here, so that way it makes my shoulders not look as linebacker. So like this one, see how it's like cut closer? I like that. That's what I picked up at Madewell. I definitely love these pieces. Yeah, so I basically got some basics from Madewell. I did want to show you what the hair looked like the full length of the hair. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly before I go eat my pizza. So this is the full length. This is how long and luxurious it is. Girl. All right, y'all, let's go get some P-I-Z-Z-A. So Johnny ordered wings and pizza. So I'm about to have some of this. So I just ate the pizza. It was so good. I don't know if it was that good or if I was just hungry. Maybe I was hungry. But anyways, I wanted to do a quick little unboxing. I picked up a new perfume for fall. So this is the scent that I got from Labo. Is it Labo? Labo. And this is like a really famous, this is a really popular fragrance house or company. So I got the scent Jasmine 17. Oh, should I say Jasmine, you know, because we're Jasmine now. So I smelled this in Nordstrom a few weeks ago, and they didn't have the smaller size. I really wanted the smaller size, not the 3.4. So I decided to order it, and this is the bottle here. This is what it looks like. With these fragrances, you can customize them. For this one, I customized it to say Jasmine's Fall 21, as you can see in the bottom. You can see it right here. I thought it would be nice to have a scent that represented Fall 21. It's still summer, but it's literally September in like a few days, so I feel like fall is, it's here. It's fall. So I'm gonna spray. I'm gonna just remind myself of how this smells. This smells so good. Oh my god, I forgot. I literally forgot. I forgot how amazing this smells, but it smells so good. It's delicious. It is literally delicious. Oh, it's just got this nice, sweet, floral, grown and sexy scent to it. Oh, this is just beautiful, you guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this. Smells so good. This is the top of the bottle. Very nice detail. It arrived on the perfect day because I think this new hair deserves a new scent, you know? Oh, this smells so good. Like, I need to spray it all over. It is, what time is it? 8:30. I need to get my kids ready for bed. I think I'm going to do that and then maybe get some wine and either watch some more Housewives or maybe find a movie that Johnny and I could watch, because we usually watch movies on Friday nights or Saturday nights rather. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and shout out again to Mayvenn Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.